Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to video or editing, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your first professional looking video using CapCut, and it's super easy even if you've never edited before. Alright, first thing first, you can just open CapCut. You can use it on your mobile or PC like I do. But the interface is almost the same. So in here you can just tap on create project and then select the clips or photos you want to edit. So I'm going to import videos. Let's say this one's right here. So once your clips is imported, you can just add it into the timeline. So once you add in the timeline, you can zoom in right here using the slider. You can zoom in like this. Now let's do some basic editing. You can tap on a clip and you'll see tools in here. There's the split, crop, or this one, freeze, reverse, mirror, or rotate. You can just tap on a clip in here to remove unwanted parts. You can drag the white handles in here. You just go to the end of the video and you can see this. You can just go to the left. And if you want to rearrange clips, for example, you have more than one clip, let's add another one in here. I'm going to import this videos right here. Let's say I want to rearrange the clip, so you can just move it around like this. Now let's make it fun. You can tap on audio, music, and in here you can choose from the CapCut video library or import your own songs. For example, I'm going to add this ones right here. You can adjust the timing by dragging the soundbar in here under your clips. Next, tap tags. Add a tags in here. You can add text or write the captions like this. You can change the font, the color, and also you can add animations to the tags like that. Sorry. So it will go like this. And for smooth transition, you can just tap on the transition in here and you can just choose the transition that you want to apply in between the clips. You can just click on the plus button and the transition will be applied to the clips. And if you want cinematic or aesthetic vibe, you can go to filters in here, or you can also go to adjustment and play around with brightness, contrast, and saturations. Let's say I'm going to add 4K filter to my clip like this. You can even apply effects in here and apply effects like motion blur or slow zoom. I'm going to add this zoom lens like this to the video. And if you're editing for social media, you can try using canvas to resize for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram Reels. And once you're happy with your edit, you can tap on export. And here you can choose your quality and hit on export. So your video will be saved to your device or gallery, ready to upload for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And that's it, you just learned how to make your first video using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.